So that means this website really pays and it's not a scam. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a payment proof from this website called Payup.video. In order to be able to withdraw from this website, you need to have at least $2 of balance. Right now I have $2 of balance and I would like to withdraw them. Just keep in mind that you can only withdraw in certain coins. So to withdraw this amount, I will click on the payout so you can get paid in pair, ADV cash, Tron TRX, Dodge, and QIWI. And on this side you can see that 20 USD payout daily limit. That's the daily limit that you can get. For the Tron, minimum withdrawal amount is 2 USD and I have that. So let's click on that and then we will come down here, payment amount. I'll put 2 USD. I have my wallet on the Binance network, so this is my wallet on Binance for Tron TRX. After that we will click on this verification, I'm not a robot, and then I'll click on request payout. Alright, your payout request has been added to the queue. Payment will be made after it is verified by a moderator. This usually takes a few minutes but can take up to 72 hours. After several such payouts, you will be able to withdraw funds automatically. So let's click on close. Now we will have to wait for them to approve or verify this amount. So let's go back to the dashboard, and as you can see, my balance now is less than $2, $0.002 something. And in the history you can see that it's under review. Hello, I'm back after a couple of days and the payment has just arrived to my account on Binance. So if I click on the payouts, I click on the history, as you can see on the status it says paid check transaction. I click on the check transaction. Here it will say it's successful, status is confirmed, and these are all the transaction details. 17.5 TRX. I'm gonna go to my dashboard on Binance and then we will check if this amount has arrived or not. So here let me click on this button and then click on wallet. TRX deposit successful. As you can see, this notification I just received. Let me click on that and then TRX deposit successful. So you have successfully deposited 17.517 TRX at 2024-01-14. It means that we have received the TRX deposit from this website, which really shows that this website is really paying. Let me go to my funding wallet and then click on spot. Alright, so here you can see TRX Tron. I have 17.5, which is equal to 1.55 pound. 1.55 pounds equal to 1.97 United States dollar. Alright, as we know, it is cryptocurrency and the prices can change. So that means this website really pays and it's not a scam. And I have received a total of $6 in 3 different transactions from this website. Today is the 17th of February 2024 that I am recording actually my voice, and I have received a total of 3 transactions, each one $2, and they have landed into my Binance wallet account. If you really need a side hustle, please try this website. As you watch more and more videos, your bonus will increase and you will be able to earn twice as much as you are earning when you first start. Thank you so much for watching again, and I see you next time.